Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can put money to your Tabby card. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Tabby application. So in here you will see this home screen. So what you're gonna do is just click on this money at the bottom. So from here you're just gonna click on this Tabby card. And in here you will see the top up button, so you just have to click on that one so that we can deposit money from here. So from here you just have to choose the amount. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna slide all the way to whatever amount that you're going to be depositing to your Tabby. So in this example I'm just gonna choose 100, and then once you're done customizing your amount, you just have to tap on this pay at the bottom right, and then this pop-up will then show up. So you're just gonna select the payment method. So it depends on you. You can also add a new card if you want to. And then once you're done picking the payment method, you just have to click on pay at the bottom, and this notification will then pop up. So that means that the deposit is already successful. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!